Hello, namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. I know most of love eating garlic cheese bread available in Domino's and other eateries. Now today I'm going to show you how to prepare garlic cheese bread which tastes same like what you get in Domino's. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients, you can have a look. Okay, now take a bowl, add 1 small cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1½ tablespoon of dry yeast, and mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add little pinch of salt, garlic pieces, oregano, one and a half tablespoon of butter, and mix well. And then add 1½ cup of maida, 1 cup and ½ cup, and knead well. Once the dough is ready, just add a little bit of oil on the top and make a round shape out of the dough. And keep it in closed container for 1 hour as seen in the video. Okay, in meantime, take a bowl, add butter, garlic pieces, finely chopped coriander leaves, red chili flakes, parsley, oregano. Mix well and keep it aside. Okay, after 1 hour you can see the dough would have popped up and the size would have been doubled. Again knead it well and make it like a thick chapati. Apply buttercream which we have prepared earlier on one side. Add grated cheese on top of that. And sprinkle herbs if you have, it's optional. And then wrap it as shown in the video. Make sure you press the edges on the both sides. Okay. Now add buttercream on one side of the wrap. And make knots on the wrap which you can see in the video. Like just knots only. Okay. Now place it in a baking tray and keep it on oven with temperature as 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now the garlic bread which you have in Domino's is ready. This tastes exactly the same way what you get in Domino's. Enjoy guys by preparing this recipe during quarantine days to satisfy your cravings for garlic bread from Domino's.